So I just got done washing my brush. Make sure comb it out nice. Make sure and wring it out. So the brush is still wet. If I put it in the cardboard's going to get wet, and eventually this thing will break, and then I'll be without a case. So what I do while the brush is drying, in order to keep its shape, I take a piece of paper, just wrap the brush up. And I got a little sticky side. Find the edge of the brush. Fold it. Now this will keep my brush shape, and when it dries, I can put it back in the case.